It's quite amazing how life sometimes just happens. A few weeks ago we met Jarkko, an Estonian hiking enthusiast, and today we're actually heading for our first multi-day hike. We're currently on New Zealand East Coast, and for the next 2 days we have planned a hike a bit over 30 kilometers that starts on the seashore, and we're gonna end up in some beautiful mountains over there. When you really had enough of those cows. On a little booklet we read about this hike, it actually said not to step on a seal. I'm sorry buddy, don't want to disturb you. All finished with a coastal walk, and now a quick lunch and then into the mountains. First 15 minutes have been strictly uphill, so all the smiles have been wiped off our faces, and I guess that's where the real fun begins. The man really loves hiking. 2.5 hours of walking uphill, but we've made it to our hut. Second morning has quite started like the last one ended. Did not make it to the top by sunrise, but still worth it.